Hello friends, today our topic is facts on tree. Which is the tallest tree in the world? Hyperion is a coast redwood in California that is considered the world's tallest living tree. It is a living tree. You can see in the picture, which is a Hyperion coastwood redwood, which is situated in California. Next, largest flower in the world. The flower with the largest bloom is Rafflesia arnoldii. Second, 1 minute. Yes, Rafflesia arnoldii. Now, oldest tree in the world. The Great Basin Bristol cone pine is deemed the oldest tree in existence, which is still in survivance, which is 5,000-year-old tree. You can see in the picture. And please don't forget to subscribe for more videos.